Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video, share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be adding more videos as we are going on. So what I'll be talking about in this channel is just basically the lessons that I've learned in life, the lessons that I am learning, whatever that I'm learning, I'm also going to be sharing with you what I think works and what I think doesn't work. Because so far, there are so many things that I've learned while I'm in diaspora. There's so many things that I'm learning while I'm here, and there's so many things that I also learn from you guys. So please keep on subscribing to our channel, keep on liking it, keep on sharing it, and yeah, just keep in touch with us. Also share your comments on what you want us to talk about and anything that you want us to talk about. I'm your girl, so yeah, thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much guys for the support, the love. I'm really grateful. Thank you.